This is the story of a man named Adam. Adam was 30 years old. He did not have much money. He did not have a good job. He did not feel happy with his life. Adam worked at night. He was a night guard at a small building. Every night at 8 p.m., he went to work. Every morning at 6 a.m., he went home. Adam was always tired. He slept during the day. He woke up at 4 p.m. Then he ate a small meal and went back to work. His salary was low. It was only enough for food and rent. He lived in a small room. There was only one bed, one chair, and one table. The room was quiet, but Adam felt sad. Every morning when Adam walked home, he saw other people. He saw families eating breakfast. He saw children going to school. He saw men and women going to work in clean clothes. Adam asked himself a question every day. Why is my life like this? Will my life always be the same? Adam wanted to change. He wanted a better job. He wanted to help his mother, but he did not know how. One day, his mother called him. She lived in a small village. Her voice was weak. "Adam," she said, "I am getting old. I want to see you happy." Adam felt pain in his heart. That night, he could not sleep well. The next morning, something strange happened. Adam came home at 6 a.m. He did not go to sleep. He sat on his bed and looked outside. The sky was quiet. The sun was rising. The world was calm. Adam thought, "This time feels different." That morning, Adam stayed awake until 9 a.m. He used his phone. He watched a simple video, how to learn new skills online. The next day, he tried again and again. After 1 week, Adam made a decision. "I will wake up early every day," he said. "I will use this time to learn." Adam changed his sleep. He slept at 7 a.m. He woke up at 12 p.m. It was hard, very hard. The first days were painful. His eyes were tired. His body felt weak. But Adam did not stop. Every morning at 5 a.m., Adam learned. He learned basic computer skills. He learned simple English. He wrote new words in a notebook. From 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m., he walked outside. He listened to podcasts. He breathed fresh air. After 3 weeks, something changed. Adam felt stronger. He felt proud. He smiled more. After 2 months, Adam knew many new things. He could use a computer. He could write simple emails. He could understand English videos. One day, his boss saw him working. "You are different," the boss said. "You learn fast." Adam showed his boss a simple file he made. The boss was surprised. After 3 months, Adam got a new job. It was a day job. It paid more money. Adam called his mother. "Mama," he said, "my life is changing." 1 year later, Adam had a better home. His mother lived with him. Every morning at 5 a.m., Adam still woke up. Not because he had to, but because that time changed his life. Adam learned one important thing. Success is not one big moment. Success is small actions every day. And it all started with one alarm at 5 a.m.